Stop whatever you're doing right now and make sure to have your sound turned up. In this short video, you'll discover the world's first 201
Google AI
powered app suite that enables you to start, grow, and scale any business in any niche without any technical skills or marketing acumen. Yes, with this first-to-market technology, even newbies can smartly create and sell attention-grabbing marketing content, images, videos, and much, much more for a low one-time price during the launch period. And the best part is, you can do it all without paying exorbitant fees for complicated tools, without paying huge fees monthly to expensive copywriters, without hiring costly video creators, without depending on existing graphic platforms, etc., once and for all. Now, if that's got your interest, then you're in for a great surprise today. Presenting AI Core, the world's first 201
Google Bard PaLM2
powered app suite that does everything. Creating plagiarism-free marketing content, eye-catchy graphics, converting text to video, text to image,
Google AI chatbot,
keyword to video, keyword to image, corrects grammar, makes image variations, writes product names, interviews, summarizes and explains text, topic outlines, sentiment analysis, proofreading, analogy maker, keyword extractor, ad copy and spreadsheet generator in just 2 minutes. Here are the complete tools that you get with AI Core. AI content generator that creates attention-grabbing, plagiarism-free content for any offer in any niche. AI text-to-video generator that generates unique, eye-catchy videos based on given text. AI text-to-image generator that generates a visually appealing set of images based on a given text.
Google AI chatbot
that provides an advanced level of Q&A experience to your website visitors. AI keyword-to-video generator that generates a set of images based on a given keyword and merges them into an exciting video. AI keyword-to-image generator that generates a set of beautiful images based on a given keyword. AI grammar correction that reads a block of text and creates grammatical mistakes. AI image variation generator that generates a set of images visually similar to the given image. AI graphic editor that creates a new image with the help of a given image and a mask along with an instruction to apply the modifications. AI product name generator that generates engaging product names based on a given product, concept, or idea. AI interview generator that generates interview questions based on a given job position. AI text summarizer that reads a block of text and without the need for any specific instructions, it summarizes the text. AI topic outliner that analyzes the given topic and generates an outline for the specific topic. AI text explainer that reads a block of text and simplifies the text without deviating from the context. AI sentiment analysis that reads a sentence or block of text and draws a conclusion on whether the sentiment is positive, negative, or neutral. AI proofreading that reads a block of text and corrects spelling mistakes. AI analogy maker that reads a block of text and returns an analogy that describes the text. AI keyword extractor that reads a block of text and returns a set of keywords that best describe the text. AI ad copy generator that generates advert copy by analyzing the description of a product. AI spreadsheet generator that generates spreadsheet based on various sorts of data. Take my word, if you're tired of all the bullshit going around and want to have a secured financial future, then AI Core is the happy ending for your search. You'll agree that it's 100% fair for such a steal deal to last for a limited period. We're confident that this much value has never been offered at such a low price. And if you act now, you'll also receive our limited time commercial license. That means you can use this for your clients and charge them monthly for this top-notch solution. So, it's really about using this technology for your business as quickly as possible to profit like never before. Remember, your purchase is always backed by an ironclad 30-day money-back guarantee. So if you're not satisfied, simply ask and get all your money back within 30 days of your purchase. Here's a fair warning. AI Core will soon be sold for a monthly or yearly subscription after the special launch period ends. If you buy now, you can access it for a one-time only low price today. So you've been warned that this incredible price will disappear as the timer strikes 0. Click on the button below this video to get AI Core for the lowest price. Good luck, and we'll see you inside.